What's going on, beautiful people? This is your yeah. Who's your boy? Who's your boy? Who's your boy? Boy, bless the blessing, baby. Today I came with a different one. This one is IMacSoul, IMacSoul, the best song on TikTok. Trending song on TikTok. This guy is the best singer I ever heard. He give you only the best, man. This is the best singer I ever had. It's IMacSoul. It's called IMacSoul. I saw a lot of ladies wearing IMacSoul now. And then I'm said, "Come IMacSoul, man," because of this song. This is the best song I ever had. It's called IMacSoul. Let's get into it.
Samwendo ele mngami inteti mayimile twaliphinifa suka samwendo ele mngami inteti mayimile twaliphinifa ngakuthanda kakhulu ngisaqala ukukuthanda namanje kusafa ngakuthanda kakhulu ngisaqala ukukuthanda namanje kusafa yophuma mathole Salama ngonya, esbaye, skababo ngzalani, esbaye, zokume esbaye, skababo ngzalani, ilanga samilela laphuma khona kashintsha ilusu, sibanda mathe sami, zintombi ezilishumi, ngichaza ngawe yodwa, ngithanda wenzela ubuka, imfundiso nenhlonipho yabazali bakho ngiyibone kuwe, sibabulu saphaka, ntombeli dlamanzi. Umhlobo hila ukhanya kwehlabathi solwazi nobuhle bakudala ngathiwa kwaphila naqala idlela amahlangu isikasekise njengaya ngambo ngamkhetha bephelele angiso ofana naye ngambo ngamkhetha bephelele angiso suka samwendo ele mngami inteti mayimile twaliphinifa suka samwendo ele mngami inteti mayimile twaliphinifa ngakuthanda kakhulu ngisaqala ukukuthanda namanje kusafa ngakuthanda kakhulu ngisaqala ukukuthanda namanje kusafa yophuma mathole salama ngonya esbaye skababo ngzalani esbaye zophuma esbaye skababo ngzalani ubukiso bhaya phele ababafana isitho sokugida mfana ngolibhale moya ophansi lobisi sibhakabhaka kanye sidatha kusana isingwe sokugida mfana ngolibhale moya ophansi embewe ngandile siphalaphala into akunyakhe uhlenga kezile sitifaka idlatha at my leg imbewe ngandile siphalaphala into akunyakhe uhlenga kezile sitifaka idlatha at my leg Senanda mama yamfanele senanda mama yamfanele suka samwendo ele mngami inteti mayimile twaliphinifa suka samwendo ele mngami inteti mayimile twaliphinifa ngakuthanda kakhulu ngisaqala ukukuthanda namanje kusafa ngakuthanda kakhulu ngisaqala ukukuthanda namanje kusafa yophuma mathole salama ngonya esbaye skababo ngzalani esbaye zophuma esbaye skababo ngzalani
Falando em quem views. What the fuck? This is the opportunity of last time, man. Yo, man, because I give you all the best. You are the best thing that ever happened to me, as I said. Keep on liking, keep on commenting, and tell me what you do to improve this channel, man. I'm gonna do as you said. Tell me what to do to improve this channel. This channel has to grow. This year must have half of this year we must have maybe 1,000 subscriptions. Please, man, help me to grow this channel, because I don't know. I'm here for you. If you don't tell me what to do, I don't know what to do, man. Thank you for watching this video, man. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.